I have a request. Well, with a profound respect, I would like everyone here in this hall to join me with a 1 minute of silence. Please, may our collective silence be the call for justice. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Please pray for Manipur. I would like to sing for mothers now. We call it Ima in Manipuri. Imas are crying for their departed children. Mother lost their baby boy, the infant child. We did have a song for the cry of a mother. But now that song is like echo to every corner of Manipur.